Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 4 inverse trigonometric functions. So far you have seen all the concepts of inverse functions. Now we are going to go into the problems. First we'll see our example 4.4. Find the domain of sine inverse 2 minus 3x square. Okay, domain of this. So when you see the sine inverse graph, domain of x is in the values as got in the x-axis as minus 1 and 1. So what is the value you are going to get? Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. This is the value of this x. Okay. Actually, who will we write it as? Sine inverse of x equal to y. And this y is here in radians. That is in theta. Okay. So you have to get the domain of means you have to get the values of x. So you are going to get it in this interval. Okay. So we have to put this x in this interval. What is the x actually given for us? 2 minus 3x square is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to minus 1. So this only you are going to solve. So we want only x, so this 2 you have to eliminate. So here it is plus 2. So adding minus 2 throughout. So minus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x square minus 2 less than or equal to 1 minus 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Here it becomes minus 3 less than or equal to minus 3x square less than or equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we have to divide throughout by 3. So you will get minus 1 less than or equal to minus x square less than or equal to minus 1 by 3. Next you are going to divide throughout by, because you want only x, so you are going to divide by minus. Before dividing by minus, suppose you have got like this. Minus 5 is less than 7. Now divide by minus. When you divide by minus, this 5 becomes plus and this 7 becomes minus 7. But what about this inequality? Here minus 5 is less than 7 we know. But when it becomes plus 5, actually it should be greater than. So when you divide by the minus sign, the inequality changes. Similarly, when you divide by minus 1 here, what will this become? 1 greater than or equal to x square greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so the inequality will change. So this is the example. So in the inequality, when you add or subtract or multiply or divide by numbers or integers, the inequality remains the same. But when you divide by minus, automatically the inequality changes. If it is less than, it will become greater than. If it is greater than, it will become less than. Okay, this is the example for that. So now we are going to write it this way: 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Okay, both are the same. Now we have to find only the value of x, isn't it? So taking square root, you will get 1 by root 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and here you will get plus or minus, so you are going to put modulus of x. When you put modulus of x, automatically there is no plus or minus. Now how are you going to write the domain? So if this condition prevails, a less than or equal to x, modulus of x less than or equal to b, then you can write x as belonging to minus b minus a union a comma b. So this rule you are going to apply here. Okay, so this is a and this is b for us. Okay, so therefore our domain will be x belongs to, what is our b? Minus 1 comma minus 1 by root 3 union our a and b, 1 by root 3 comma 1. So this is going to be our final answer. Okay, thank you.